I have been waiting to open this package. You guys, have a look at this package. This is from Dior. It feels timeless, very elegant. I love Dior, how they keep everything classic. Have a look, guys. Are you guys ready? Look at this stunning, love a soft feminine bag. This is a great bag. I wanted something timeless, very elegant, and I guess this bag it's not too loud, it's just classic. This bag comes with a beautiful chain. Let me know what you guys think about this bag. I absolutely love it.